Huh? Jaimin? Okay, Jia.
Yes, ma'am. Outer compartment is present between the inner and outer membrane, and the outer compartment means that the space between that inner and outer membrane is called intermembrane space or a perimitochondrial space, and inner compartment present. Hello.
Inner compartment, other name? बोलो
Inner compartment.
Jia. Inner compartment we call matrix. Next. What are cristae? What are cristae? Jill.
The foldings with the increasing surface area.
Cristae. ये word आना चाहिए main. They are basically cristae.
Foldings.
हाँ, in foldings, which
Inner
increases
cells.
the
in matrix.
in matrix नहीं, the inner membrane foldings, which increases the surface area, we call cristae. Okay.
Yes.
Next. चलो. On cristae, which components are present? On cristae, which components are present? Arpita. Arpita. Unmute. बोलो. हाँ. Oxisome. बोलो. Oxidative phosphorylation. Okay, components for oxidative phosphorylation, but they are what? Jaimin.
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
F1 particle and F0.
F1, F0 particle. Other name of these particles?
Oxysomes.
Oxisome. One more name I have given. बोलो साक्षी.
Respiratory chain.
नहीं. बोलो साक्षी.
Ma'am, can I?
ATP synthesis.
ATP synthesis. Correct. Right. Next. So that helps in ATP. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, synthesis आपने synthesis लिखवाया था.
ATP synthesis ATP synthesis. एंजाइम में लास्ट में एज होता है, ASE सफिक्स उसका. ATP synthesis. ओके.
हाँ मैम,
और ATP synthesis. हाँ, ATP synthetase भी बोलते हैं उसको, ATP synthesis भी. Both are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Which components are present in matrix of mitochondria? Kirtan.
Ma'am, ribosomes and DNA.
Only these two?
And also oxysomes are present on the surface of
No, oxysomes are not present in matrix. They are associated with membrane.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Jia, go.
Ma'am, RNA.
DNA, ribosomes, RNA. Ribosomes, what type of ribosomes in matrix of mitochondria? Shubh. Shubh Patel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What type of ribosomes present in mitochondria? Sakshi.
70S.
Correct, 70S. Other which components are present? Enzymes for Krebs cycle, component for protein synthesis. These things are present. Okay. Remember, mitochondria has self-duplication capacity by fission of pre-existing cell, pre-existing mitochondria. And then these are mitochondria known as semi-autonomous organelles. Next. Next part. Just a second. See, one thing that mitochondria, both the outer membrane and inner membrane. They are lipid bilayer. Outer membrane and inner membrane, they are lipid bilayer, right? So one is a permeable, other is a selectively permeable. Why this type of differences are there? Because outer membrane, see this picture over here. When take the section of the outer membrane, on that these spores like structures are present. These spores we call porins. These are known as porins. So porins are present on outer membrane of mitochondria. Porins are present on outer membrane of mitochondria. That's why easily each and everything can enter and it becomes permeable. This is the reason. Okay. Now we switch over to next. That's the plastids. We have learned this entire mitochondria. Now next, that's the plastids. Plastids, they are again membrane bound organelles found in plant cells and euglenoids. Euglena belongs to kingdom Protista. Okay. So basically they are eukaryotes. Chloroplasts are present in eukaryotes. Remember, in prokaryotes, specifically that blue-green algae and photosynthetic bacteria, if these two are there, in that instead of this chloroplast, you know that chloroplasts perform photosynthesis. So which structure is present in prokaryotes? Bolo, Kirtan.
Ma'am, chromatophores.
Correct, very good. Chromatophores are present. Okay. Next. So membrane basic, here this organelle, chloroplast, then one more leucoplast, chromoplast. These are we commonly called plastids. These are we commonly called the plastids. Remember, this plastid term introduced by Haeckel, Ernst Haeckel. Okay. Now, plastids, remember, they are present only and only, they are restricted themselves for plant and euglenoids. They are not present in animals. Basically, three types of the plastids are there. First type, that's the chromoplast. First type we call the chromoplast. Chromo related to color. Chromoplast for the which one? Color. So chroma का meaning CH, okay, CROMA वाला नहीं, CHROMA, chroma, this one. That means color. आपने देखा होगा, see, tomatoes are red in color, apple red in color, pomegranate red in color, orange, okay, then that lemon yellow in color. So many fruits are there. Banana yellow in color. They are in different color. Why? Because in plants, this chromoplast are present. These chromoplasts contain pigments. These chromoplasts contain pigments which are fat soluble, carotenoid and xanthophyll. Remember, carotenoid and xanthophyll. पता है carrot का orange color. So many varieties. Some of the even flowers. Okay, some of the flowers have yellow color, blue color, violet color, purple color. So many differences are there. So why this type of colors we can get in different that's flowers, fruits, and seeds. But because in plant cell, chromoplast are there. Chroma meaning color. Now, these plastids in a cell are present in either yellowish color or reddish color. Now, These plastids contain pigments. Remember, fat soluble. एक होता है water soluble. Water soluble है anthocyanin. Remember, ये नीट में आता है. Water soluble pigment, that's the anthocyanin. Fat soluble xanthophyllin carotenoids. So these pigments are present which impart the color to the flower, fruits and seeds. Very easy. Next, another type of plastid that we called leucoplast. Leuco meaning colorless. No, because in that no pigments. Pigments are not present. Leuco meaning white, colorless. Next, this one lake pigments, they are basically stored food. They are basically for what purpose? To store the food. In that one, that's the amyloplast. Amyloplast type of plastids that store starch. Elioplast that store oil or fat. Aleuroplast that store protein. Remember these three, very important. A part or a type of a leucoplast which stores starch we call amyloplast. Those store the oil or fat we call elioplast. Those store the proteins we call aleuroplast. Okay. Next, third one, that is the main which are present in plants for photosynthesis to form a food for plant, chloroplast. And in that, chlorophyll as well as carotenoids are present. Chlorophyll as well as carotenoids. See, majority plants have greenish color leaves. Some of the plants have, आपने अगर देखा है, पर्पलिश कलर के भी लीव्स होते हैं. देखा है कभी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पर्पल कलर के
Tulsi.
शेड्स के, ओके, पर्पल में थोड़ा ग्रीनिश आ ही जाता है उसमें, बट दिस टाइप ऑफ लीव्स आर देयर. So that's why they contain mainly chlorophyll, remember, and in that carotenoids are also present, and this one performs photosynthesis. Now we will study briefly chloroplast. We will study chloroplast in detail, chapter number 13, photosynthesis. जैसे mitochondria है chapter number 14, respiration. Chloroplast chapter number 13, photosynthesis, for detail. Now some basic information related to this chloroplast. Their location. So location in mostly in mesophyll of leaves. Now first understand what is mesophyll. Just a second. In this picture, very easily, clearly, these things are given. Leaf. When we take a section of leaf, structure looks like this part. Now, in between, over here, the ground tissue that we call the mesophyll is present. Then, ये ऐसे cells है उसके, दिख रहे हैं आपको? ये mesophyll है. When we take out this one mesophyll outside, then we can study in this mesophyll. ये जो green color के dots दिख रहे हैं ना, these all are chloroplast. These all are chloroplast. And now we are going to discuss about that this single structure chloroplast. See, so much microscopic structure. Large leaf, then take a section. So in that, this mesophyll tissue is there. This mesophyll tissue, okay, when we study in detail, in that we get the chloroplast, and now we are going to study individual chloroplast. Chloroplast, see, this is the mesophyll, single mesophyll cell, plant cell, right? And in that, these all are chloroplast. See. Structure of chloroplast. In that, first of all, location, remember, mostly in mesophyll of leaves. Next, size, length 5 to 10 micrometer. Length, remember, 5 to 10 micrometer. And width, remember, 2 to 4 micrometer. Next, जैसे mitochondria numbers can vary. Same way, chloroplast number also can vary. Again, it depends on the physiological activity of cell. Like only one chloroplast present in Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is an algae. Okay, only one chloroplast is present in Chlamydomonas. And 20 to 40, just now we have seen, remember that plant cell, and in that so many this rounded structure chloroplast are there. So in plant cell, 20 to 40 chloroplast are there. So numbers, remember, can vary. One of two examples are given. One in Chlamydomonas, 20 to 40 present in mesophyll cell. Next. Again, like mitochondria, chloroplast has two membrane. See, this one is outer membrane. Okay, and next, this one is the inner membrane. Right, outer membrane and inner membrane. Same like mitochondria, outer, for that we call it more permeable. वहाँ पे था permeable, here in this way, more permeable, and inner, that is less permeable. Again, see, whenever I talk that two membrane are there, consider which membrane? Lipid bilayer. We have studied that cell membrane structure. Okay, two membrane, outer, inner. Next, inner membrane. See, here again this lamellar structures are there, foldings are there. Lamellar meaning highly folded structure. See, so many folding structures are there, right? So this are we called individual, we call, means this 1, 2, 3, 4 individual we call thylakoids. Okay, individual we call thylakoid. And this stack pile arrangement, जैसे coins होते, coins को हम ऐसे arrange नहीं करते one above the other. Same over here arrangement is there. So this stack pile arrangement of thylakoid we call grana. Stack pile arrangement. Just a second, I show other pic. This one is better. So outer membrane, inner membrane. Outer membrane is more permeable, inner membrane is less permeable. Next, inner membrane has folding structure. Inner membrane has folding structure. This folding structure, see कैसे folds form होंगे यहाँ पे? Suppose this one is the inner membrane. So this inner membrane has this type of structures. And then makes the folds of this inner membrane. Same, जहाँ पे भी ये structures है, folds form होंगे. Individual we call thylakoid, entire we call grana. Next, now in that two types of the thylakoids are there. One that we call in a granum form, grana arrangement, stack pile of thylakoids, and other this one grana, second grana, third grana. Can you able to make out this? This all are connected to each other. So this we call stroma lamella. This are we called stroma lamella. So two types of thylakoids, one to form grana and other to form to make a bridge connection between these grana thylakoids. Okay. So grana or intergranal thylakoids and other is the stroma lamella, stack pile of thylakoids. Now, space next term, when we take this individual granum or individual thylakoid, the single one outside. So this is actually, see, it's an inner membrane folding. See, inner membrane actually, and inside that space is there. That one forms the thylakoid. So that we call lumen of thylakoid. Lumen means cavity space which is enclosed by this thylakoid. So that simply we call it's the thylakoid lumen. Next, in this that intergranal thylakoids or grana thylakoids possess photopigments. Photopigments meaning this chlorophyll which helps in photosynthesis. Chlorophyll hai, carotenoids hai, right? That are required for light reaction. Photosynthesis in that see, photosynthesis in the two types of reactions are there, light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction in the two parts, photolysis of water and phosphorylation of water. Photolysis, you know, what is the meaning of lysis? Remember lysosome ke time pe kiya hai. Anyone, can you tell me? Kirtan?
Ma'am, breaking.
Breaking, yes, correct. Lysis meaning breakdown, breaking. Photo meaning, can anyone tell me? Other than Kirtan? You all are biology students, right? Bolo Shubh. Photo in general hai. Photo meaning what? Light. So breakdown of water in the presence of sunlight. You know, for photosynthesis, sunlight is required. So breakdown of water molecules in the presence of sunlight, and then photophosphorylation occur, means in that ATP formation. जैसे mitochondria में oxidative phosphorylation है, in chloroplast we call photophosphorylation. So these things are occur within this thylakoid lumen on that grana structure. Now, next thing that the space which is present Okay, outside that or the space which is surrounded by the inner membrane, except this thylakoids, that space we call stroma. जैसे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में मैट्रिक्स बोलते थे, क्लोरोप्लास्ट इन दैट वी कॉल स्ट्रोमा. In the stroma, that's why this single lamella foldings are present in stroma. So that's why name given stroma lamella. Okay. So in thylakoids, photopigments are there, which helps in light reaction. Photopigment, light can perceive. Next thing, stroma lamella. Stroma lamella, remember, it's a flat tubular structure which makes the connection between that one grana thylakoids to the another grana thylakoids. Next thing, that light reaction, dark reaction. So remember, light reaction occur within the lumen of thylakoid, whereas dark reaction occur in this stroma. Dark reaction occur in the stroma. So stroma, a space which is surrounded by inner membrane. Next, it possesses enzymes for proteins as well as carbohydrate synthesis. Protein or carbohydrate synthesis. For that, enzymes are present. Now, same like a mitochondria, over here in the stroma, that DNA present, RNA present, same DNA, double circular ring-like structures in stroma in this part. Next, some RNAs are present. Next, 70S ribosomes like mitochondria, same. 70S ribosomes are present, right? So, can you tell me, now again these three are there, so they can prepare their own protein, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
So 70S ribosome, RNA, DNA. DNA, remember, double-stranded circular DNA is there. So, stroma, in that dark reaction occur. So enzymes are also present, which are required for that dark reaction. Light reaction, dark reaction, just remember that light reaction occur within the lumen of thylakoid, dark reaction occur in the stroma. For time being, this much information enough for you. Detail in chapter number 13. अभी कुछ भी ऊपर से ही जाएगा अगर मैं explain करूंगी ना तो भी, and वो high level का लगेगा. So just now remember only this much. Space is surrounded by inner membrane we call stroma. It possesses enzymes for protein and carbohydrate synthesis. It possesses enzymes for dark reaction also. In the DNA, RNA, 70S type of ribosomes are present. बोलो, clear है? This much
Yes.
for chloroplast, thylakoids, grana. These are we call grana thylakoids. This are stroma lamellae or stroma thylakoids. Now next, can we say that these chloroplasts are semi-autonomous organelles? मैंने mitochondria आपको explain किया है. Now you have to tell me. Can we consider?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why, Kirtan?
Ma'am, because it can means it can fusion it can reproduce
Kirtan,
within cell
Kirtan.
but not individually. Means not outside of the cell.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, it has their own DNA. It has their own DNA, so it can replicate themselves within the cell like a mitochondria, duplicate themselves. So autonomous है, but again same, उसको plant cell से बाहर निकाल दो and allow करो कि वो to replicate themselves. It can't able to replicate without this cell. That's why we call it a semi-autonomous organelle. Remember, mitochondria and chloroplast both are semi-autonomous organelles. Bolo, any doubt in this part? This much information for plastids. Plastids, remember, three types: chromoplast, leucoplast, chloroplast. Chromoplast, in that carotenoid and xanthophyll pigments are present, which impart the color to flower, fruit, and seed. Leucoplast, which lake the pigments in the no pigments, store the food. Okay, one more information for you. That these three, chromoplast, these two, chromoplast, leucoplast, and chloroplast, all three, they are interconvertible. They have this property. Just for your information, they have the interconvertible property. Meaning, suppose chromoplast की requirement है ज्यादा, तो leucoplast can convert into chromoplast, chloroplast can convert into chromoplast, chloroplast की है, so chromoplast can convert into chloro, leuco can convert into chloro, like this. So in one statement, they have the ability to interconvertible. Remember, amyloplast store starch, ileoplast store oil or fat, alluroplast store proteins. And chloroplast, in that chlorophyll and carotenoid pigments are present which perform photosynthesis. Now, do you have any doubt in this mitochondria and chloroplast topic?
No, ma'am.
Other student, please give your reply.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, I am leaving you today a little bit early. Tomorrow you will have a class, same 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 to 10:15 or 10:30, depending on the topic.
Ma'am,
So-
I have other classes in the morning.
Which one?
Physics.
At what time? Actually, I have told you at that time कि हम 9 to 10 में रखेंगे morning में. बोलो मैत्री.
Ma'am,
What
it's
time?
from 8 to 10.
8 to 10 because फिर बाकी सबके होते हैं classes. बोलो शुभ, आपको कुछ बोलना है? शुभ.
मैम मेरा वॉलीबॉल है 7 to 10.
अभी okay, let's see.
Ma'am.
आफ्टरनून में है किसी के क्लास? 3 to 4
Yes,
में?
ma'am.
3 to 4?
भाविक सर का केमिस्ट्री.
हाँ, 2 to 4 उनका रहेगा, राइट. ओके. मैत्री, आपका एवरी संडे होने वाला है ये?
Yes, ma'am.
देन एक ही चांस है. आवर क्लास टाइम शुड बी 7 to 8 in morning. बोलो चिया.
यस मैम. मैम ट्यूसडे को है ना, एक्चुअली हम लोग है ना फिजिक्स में उमेश सर के उसमें है क्लासेस में, तो वो है ना हर टेस्ट रखेंगे 7 to 8, तो शायद 50 मिनट का थोड़ा ये होगा ट्यूसडे को.